Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make muffins at home without an oven. Place a steam rack in a deep pot, add simmering water below the rack, and bring to a gentle steam. Prepare batter normally, fill molds 3/4 full, and arrange them on the rack, leaving space between each. Cover tightly, reduce to low heat, and steam until a toothpick comes out clean for moist, tender muffins every time. In this video, I will show how to make muffins at home without an oven. Preheat the pot with water, then keep it at a steady simmer to avoid soggy bottoms. Choose molds that allow airflow and line them to prevent sticking. Rotate molds once during cooking if needed, and avoid lifting the lid too often to keep steam trapped. With these small adjustments, you get consistent rise and a tender crumb every batch. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum keeps crumbs and flour off your floors so you can focus on batter, not broom duty, and it even responds to voice control for hands-free cleanup. I find it saves time between batches and keeps the kitchen tidy. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make muffins at home without an oven. Add mix-ins like berries or chocolate chips at the end to prevent sinking, and use yogurt or sour cream for extra moisture. For denser muffins, mix a little less. For lighter muffins, don't overmix once flour is added. Remember to balance wet and dry ingredients so batter drops slowly from a spoon for even cooking and great texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.